Oh, where is it? No. Where's my 3-hole punch? No. What? I just had it in my bag. Ah, we have to find it.
This is not my own. Whose is it? Hi, excuse me. This is not my own. I was wondering if it was yours.
No, it's not mine.
Dang it. Twilight. This is not my own. I was wondering if it was yours.
That's a good.
Is it yours? No?
Let's just count Dan.
Carly. This is not my own. Is it yours?
It's not mine. I don't need a hole puncher.
Okay. Anna Grace, this is not my own. Is it yours?
Hey, Daniel, have you seen my 3-hole punch?
Your what?
My 3-hole punch. I've been looking everywhere.
What is that?
It's a 3-hole punch. You can punch holes in your music.
Bro, I don't punch holes in my music.
Dude, have you seen my 3-hole punch? Somebody took it. I need to find it. It's gotta be somewhere, I mean. Where is it? This would be a perfect hiding spot, but it's... Will somebody help me? Have you seen my 3-hole punch? Where's my 3-hole punch?
I don't know where your 3-hole punch is.
I haven't seen it in so long. I've been looking for it all week.
I'm sorry. Do you need help finding it?
Yes.
Where
I have no idea where it could be.
Not really.
You would not believe your eyes.
Hello. This hole puncher is not of my own. Is it of your own?
Oh, where is it? Where's my 3-hole punch? It has to be somewhere.
Hey, Doug,
watch
is this
out.
your hole
Hey,
punch?
watch
It's
out.
not
The
my
restroom.
own. Is it yours?
Hey, watch out. Go that way.
I don't recognize it.
Oh, rats. Hey, Aunt Beth. Yes, ma'am. I was just wondering if this was your hole punch, because it's not of my own, and I was just wondering if it was yours.
I don't think it's him.
I spotted Michael. Maybe it's his. Michael?
Yes.
This hole puncher is not my own, and I was just wondering if it was your own.
I actually need that.
Do you really?
I need this piece punched.
Oh, here you go.
So, can you punch this for me?
Of course.
Okay.
Sometimes it's really hard.
Hi, excellent job. Thank you so
Well, we
much.
didn't find the owner,
We
but
did.
at least we did something productive. This hole punch is not my own, and I was just wondering if it was your hole punch.
No.
No, not your hole punch? Okay.
Hey, have you seen my 3-hole punch?
No.
You have?
Oh, yeah.
Where is it?
A girl out there had it.
Really?
Yeah.
Which one?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's she look like?
She has hair.
She has hair?
Yeah.
Oh, I have hair too. Phil doesn't. Have you seen my 3-hole punch?
No.
3-hole punch.
I have not seen a 3-hole punch.
Where's my 3-hole punch?
I'll help you look.
Simeon, have you seen my 3-hole punch?
Your what?
My 3-hole punch.
No, I haven't seen it anywhere, Greg.
Excuse me, have you seen my 3-hole punch? I left it on the table over there.
But I'll ask Miss Judy.
No, it wasn't in there. Have you seen my 3-hole punch?
Have I seen your 3-hole punch?
I have not. You not? I've been looking everywhere. The number 3. Everywhere I look, I can't find my 3-hole punch.
How many concerts have you
Have you seen my 3-hole punch?
Your what?
My 3-hole punch.
You had it earlier. No, one of the girls had it. Oh, okay. Why?
Which girl? Which girl?
I don't remember. She just said, I'm gonna give it back before I break it. Who had that? You remember seeing it? I can't remember. She had it in her back pocket. Want a 4-hole?
No, it was definitely 3-hole.
3-hole. But there's also 2-hole punches.
Yes, I have my
And you
7-hole.
can have a 1-hole punch. The 1-hole punch is really cool because you can just flip the pages over and. When did you last? Yours is a 3-hole.
Yes, mine's a 3-hole.
Well, those are really handy because you can make booklets.
Hi. This hole puncher is not my own, and I was wondering if it was yours.
It's not my own either.
Oh man.
Is that yours?
No.
It's not your own.
No, I'm looking for the owner. Have you seen? Is anyone missing a hole punch?
Yeah, somebody told me they were missing a hole punch. They said that somebody had it and it was their own.
Hey,
Great, come here.
Oh wait, no.
Hello. Hi. We found a hole punch, and I was wondering if if it belonged to anyone. It's not my own. And I was wondering if it was anyone's.
Lily, come on, Lily. Excuse me, I have an announcement. Has anyone seen a 3-hole punch? Anybody? I've been looking all week. 24 hours a day and I can't find it. Does anybody know where it is?